Big up Crosses TV.
I'm afraid, Mr. Crosses TV. I'm afraid. I'm not saying nothing. Crosses TV, I'm afraid. I don't want you to record me. I'm not about to talk.
Well, shut the fuck up and don't make a root to no dirty blood clot. On all evil, wicked blood clot. Morning, baby. On a wicked shit house. As some blood clot went on a dirty blood clot drunk. I believe it. I have enough on a stinking dirty blood clot. Me that winner dog shit. Shit pit. Shit towel. Shit plate blood clot class. On a low blood clot. Me no want to hear nothing from none of the stinking Bombo hole. On a evil iniquity worker. I don't know what a blood clot over upon me on a mouth, on a dirty mouth, on a stinking mouth, on a filthy mouth. I rebuke you in the mighty name of Jesus. Father God, cover me from all of these evil, bad-minded, covetous people. On a bad mind, on a wicked, on a envious, low blood clot. Me no want none to tell me blood clot. No, I want to fuck up my married life. This time make no blood clot sense. Last year, when I see them, I say, somebody sure. Your cake and give. Dog. I say, not a body not throw no blood clot cake go give a dog. But I said, this here, something not right. Something not right. I tell you no dirty blood clot. You see when you can't conquer do you no can't conquer me. I will bawl, I will scream, I will shout and I will go down for my knee. And I will ask Father God for cover me. None of blood clot on not tell me nothing. Me no was that no blood clot by the woman of the world. Me one of the nicest woman. And my husband would have take everybody else's problem upon him head and sit to everybody. Then I could have wore blood clot, so I set the boy blood clot man against me. That not right. No matter, me and doing have nothing every time, foolishness. I know not about me and doing argue over girl. Me and doing argue over no blood clot girl. Foolishness. Big married man, married woman, me as a great woman out there in the world was so progressive. Me so nice. Me not negative. Yes, when me get mad, but terrible. I mean, I have no manners when people fuck with me. Yes, but other than that, I'm fucking nice. I'm for see no matter what my bill do, we just take everything in that care. And guess what? The same do with them. Me look back on it and I say, Queenie, work out this for yourself. You're an idiot woman. The pan got hurt long time. Do with him little fuckery and him little provoking things. But there's bigger levels, bigger step and bigger move. And I'm not interested in none of it. So regardless, mother say me is a Bombo and I'm grateful. Do it is not somebody where, you know, you have somebody that take your money and take your things. Want this, want that. He doesn't, you know. He does not. You have me have money already to take my blood clot money and not give it back. If I do, if it take a cent from me, it no fucking adds up. So regardless if it's a Bombo pussy ass clot, me I telling you something not right. But God is real. I see if me I fool myself, make me fool myself. I come to terms that this is like it's a cycle. And it come back right round. Now how much money would I have? Me and do a vehicle together, me and do a progressive together. Whether I'm live for straw, yes, or blood clot, not him have good energy and good spirit. And do we are not boy with red eye. All if him blood clot, bad man, me I show bad man. Do we don't give a fuck, do we make me run my things and do what I have to do. Do we is not the man when my say boy I go rob me and do my certain things. This is not right. Do we prefer get up, suffer? Don't talk to me. The man just the way I see him look for me. Why you tell me spit on me? So me saw the man look for me. I said, no man, me not have blood clot. This something. Two. And then spit back on me. But my point is, you see the evil I would do it. Me and doing have nothing really. Remember me send a video to Ross. Ross there Jamaica and somebody with me collide with. Me not see the man. So that still not make no blood clot sense. Before Ross, All of the little picky foolish argument. Which 30 fucking person get up and argue over foolishness and deteriorate your marriage? I don't. And all of Jamaica, the foolishness the 14th of January. When do it turn me in my head? A foolishness. We go to Portland go work. And I just spliff me and do a blood clot argue over spliff. Spliff. Cut and clear that, man. Something not right, man. Me don't eat that, man. Spliff, you know, fuck. The man give me, I beg the man make the weed. I want him give me the weed. Fucking spliff when we have a bag of weed. We have a whole heap of money that don't make no blood clot sense. May I feel sorry for myself and let out the steam. And when do we give me the spliff? I'm still say, but you have a spliff already, give it back. I'm say, no. Just simple things like that. I just show who really care. All who not care and can kiss out my blood clot dirty marriage life. That's enough for the kiss out my dirty married life. And when the brother give me the weed, and say, give me back my spliff because you have one already. I say, no. Because I hold on my head for take two out and do grab back the spliff out of me. So the way I thought the fuck him I fight me for the spliff and him just give me. I ease him off and come out to the club. Remember, this is my husband. Me and him go to Jamaica. Me and him go for work. When I come out to the club, remember we have a whole heap of weed, you know? We have a whole heap of money. So when I look back privately, I said, no, Queenie, somebody fix your life. The man couldn't just get up here. So this is no blood clot, right? Me too nice. Anyway, when I walk out, when I push him, ease him off, I walk out of the club, I'm call him one side, I say to him, do we come here? One side, you know. I have manners and principle. I have bloat as terrible as me, you know. I not talk to my husband anyway in front of anyway, you know. Not trying to my company to come done him. When me done him, it's different. But on a regular basis, manners, respectable husband and wife. I call him one side, I said, do it. How embarrassing that is, you give me the spliff and yeah, whole me bend down a smoke dry it and you grab it back from me. What kind of style that? I mean, I remember how rude him said to me. Something him said to me I walk. I say, you fucking like a drunker. And him say, how you call drunk all the time? You call me drunker. And from that, you hear me say? From that, my husband go sit down in the car. None of blood clot you know, don't tell me that I'm for move on. You move on and come off from a blood clot page. None of you can't tell me what to do. No stink no blood clot. I can't take no advice. None of no advice come before mine. I'm a sit down and take 265,000 for to come kiss out on the blood clot me. It's like how my life mash up again. This is no dirty blood clot. Calm down, Queen. Calm. Alright? You see from that? Do not come to a car. Do walk go in a car, go sit down, I perform, I come back. Remember me and my pitney them there Jamaica, you know? Me do the pitney them baby father, the whole way have family time, you know, the whole of I first my pitney them as me perform, you know. Portland with there, you know. Anyway, when I come out now, man, we drive, go back at the hotel. We not for them space, not for them space. When we wake up the morning, everybody have breakfast and up on the beach. Do we alone the one side, like he's nobody and nobody not care about him. And all them I tell him come, do we not come. When we come back and land at town now, do we say I'm not driving at the car with me, I drive with Devante. I say, Devante, any you put the doing in your car today, warring at this blood clot. I mean, any man the youth them come down here. So why? Whatever. You see, you're the simple stupidness. None of blood clot you can come over here come say nothing to my husband. All when him know what me, I hate me, I defend him car. Me know the love of me and him share. Do it don't even care if him come a blood clot England when me and do it married. Me not even know I could have sent for my husband. So you see me and him go through so much and him achieve so much and him still not fucking care. I on a blood clot care. Yeah, I on a tear the youth because I can't tear me. And when we're going at the van now, I'm just there in this. Remember, it's an 8-seater van. I'm there way around at the back, you know. And me I drive now, but my vex, my gutted come here say last night him not come. This man him I say no I'm going at the car way. So me and him and the youth them, some of the youth them in the van. Rest of you them in the van car with them father. Devante in a theme car. Remember we had an excursion and me everybody come for support. So I said, do you know say I'm like a bad-minded Bombo wall because last time when I prefer you vexing me for foolishness and gone. I'm sitting in the car. And say, who you tell us a bad mind? I say you is a bad-minded blood clot. And I saw the man start pull the van door, the driving blood clot van door. Let me out of your vehicle. Let me say, what me now let you out? You mad? Me now stop. Remember the pit of them? Riley, E.S., Roger, Escada. No, not Riley. Not E.S., Riley. Escada was there and my next virgin in the front in the Jeep. Stop at my cousin. Well, I forgot my cousin's funeral. All of that make reach late. 5 hours would take from Portland for reach at St. Thomas. Me not even reach at the funeral. All some of my family them have me up for the funeral. But I don't give a fuck cause I want me. So I not kill myself. I reach when everybody gone. Alright? Reach back at town now. Same day now. When we reach back at town now, cause I pick up mom and carry mom from St. Thomas. So we reach back at town now. I sit down in the house, I lie down because I'm so drained. When I lie down, wake up, I say, do it. I said, do it and chin gonna link up now, you know. I don't say do it. Well, I don't know. This is why I surmise. But that happened. So when, cause chin the crossway the road and when I ask my daughter what do it, somebody I ask him to do it, him gone buy weed. When him come back from the weed now, I saw me and him there out on the veranda. I'm just to do is start top me up, but the way I'm not expect do it for top me up. Because do is not a beater man. Do it will lick me and me will lick him, but for beater man different from beater man. We are human and we have altercation, so little wrestling, but me and do it no beater man and no like you know some man kick and beat you and them little something there. So when me see the man give me more than 5 top, me I say no man, me just ball out murder. I'm a pity them run out. Nas run out and say, what you doing? What you doing? And him say, me nah do nothing. Remember Nas see what I do, you know. And him say, nah do nothing and run off. That's how chin come in now. The run we do we run off now. When me look at chin, me say pull up. After me say more look cute, you know, grandma, I wanna make me take yeah, so let me look, Mr. Chin, pull up. Got a chin, Mr. Chin. I'm crazy. Never lazy. Yeah, Mr. Chin, why you come for take my husband out of my house, Chin? Chin, what does I have to do with them? Me and my husband have like a confrontation, make we sort it out. Whatever. But my point is, yes, when I see Chin I laugh yesterday and the evil eyes in her Chin. And when I see the Facebook memories they sent come give me last year with the airport incident with me and do it. I say, this is a jinx. This is something was set. This not make no blood clot sense. No matter what me and the man create. The only rascal thing standing at the married me, not even me and him can rascal agree. Everything else deteriorated. Do we can't see no beauty in a nothing, no sense in a nothing, no value in a nothing, no worth, no commitment. Him just dark. Me don't know if I do it woman, me don't know if I'm a mind, me don't know. If I do a friend, I don't know, but I know something done blood clot, right? Because no even no mama Bombo blood clot, and the first thing on the love tell me, say me walk Obia. If me did walk blood clot, Obia, I would not go too much in blood clot problem. But to me, no Obia minded, this no blood clot, right? Me know I don't business what the world and the mama want to say. Just so you can't just get up on a business with nothing in the world, so no matter what you just anybody can tell us, so come make sure go because you're not gonna fight or you're not gonna cause no me you're not gonna fight and cause me is very determined. And when me hear shit me want it for water done to rascal piece of water it done for me. So no come over here come tell me no suck out my battle and come suck my left right and blood clot center. I don't give a fuck. Me is a blood clot winner. Me a one dirty man I come talk about to no book. Me no want no Bombo whole book. Hey, me not even want to no dirty blood clot support come. have to survive. You hear that? If my pity them not mind me feed me, my baby father will mind me feed me. Could have 100 blood clot girl. I me owe that rights to me for take care of me as a baby daddy. I see if my baby daddy not do it, my mother is a must. So me no need to lift no blood clot stress and no can style for my nasty dirty blood clot I come talk about. Queenie vulgar half-full. She think me no want none blood clot who don't like me because me not gonna be no saint for protect full of blood clot disgrace. Me is who me is and the whole world might not blood clot but me for is, but there is people who love me for who me fucking is and I will forever be my fucking none blood clot who not send up about my husband and stink like me no know which one I go over me not over blood clot but I would say what sugar type of doing not like me no want blood clot do it like me come like my blood clot self no go. When I go and go look on some blood clot money and go do nobody and leave blood clot me. No chat to me. Me no want do it chat to me. Me no want none of blood clot to no chat to me. Cause me no want to know who I'm afraid I will know the go. You think God asleep, Bombo wall? You think God asleep anybody? And that's the conclusion we come to. I don't fucking want to do it either. I rather stay by myself and be lonely. But me know something right. Something can, the man, nothing at all. Me and do it nice shop. I Mr. Do you like that? The man just bite off my head. The man aggressive towards me for nothing and do it is a nice soul person. He's ignorant, you know. Don't get me wrong. I'm ignorant when ignorance, but do we have principle? I remember when me and him married, me used to say, do it, you know the love of me and you share, it's nice. Me just see my husband look back for me that way. You hear that? Move on a dirty iniquity work in blood clot. I feel no work no iniquity in a dirty mouth. On a dirty wishes. When me sit in and laugh yesterday and I say Bombo wall. That you sit down and laugh for people life mash up. Is that really nice, really, when you come to think of it? What benefit do you get? You understand me? You sit down, your boots do if you sell the tire them, your boots do if you sell the TV. Same thing with the ring, plus whatever else do we sell. Do it, don't even drink. Do it most effect is on for smoke. And when do we build one spliff, do we have the whole spliff lamb? And me always a suck out, do we spliff them? Do we maintenance now, I? Do we know boy we have certain addiction? Do we just a humble bomber clock man as you see him there? So with all of this, it just not adds up to me. So make me fool my blood clot self because of marriage and of my life. None of blood clot to none right over here, so I mean not trust no dirty blood clot. No. So that's why you think my Anglo no dirty blood clot. So remember me no know who not type against me now. Remember Chin companies come saying do we have a woman on name Cherry, you know. And a Cherry did forget do you know. I don't know if a Cherry at Obi me. Well, Obi do it. Cause none of blood clot no Obi. No matter how I see my ball, you know. Unless I still get on with life, because I'm a winner. And it just not right. You know me hear a mother always say, oh no fit happy foolishness cause I beer